Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 13 that keeps restarting randomly. iPhones are reliable, but the day will come when the system goes awry. So, your iPhone 13 keeps restarting itself. Users of iPhone 13 often face the random restart problems while watching video, charging, transferring data, updating, or restoring. Some users find the iPhone 13 keeps restarting over and over, which lasts for hours and seems to never stop. While for other users, what they mean is that iPhone 13 randomly restarts every few minutes, like 1, 3, or 5 minutes. It's annoying, but you can still figure out the causes and troubleshoot them by yourself. Why does your iPhone 13 keep restarting? The auto restart problem could arise for a number of reasons. Your iPhone 13 storage space is low. The operating system may be glitching temporarily. There are malfunctioning or obsolete apps on your device. Some settings you configure mistakenly cause your iPhone 13 to keep rebooting randomly. The iOS software may get corrupted when downloading or gets outdated. Malware attacks your phone. We'll provide the solutions to these problems and explain the steps to get out of the rebooting loop on iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max in detail. The troubleshooting part will be divided into two parts. One is what to do when your iPhone 13 keeps restarting every few minutes randomly. 2 is what to do when your iPhone 13 keeps restarting all the time. Now, let's start. Part 1. What to do when your iPhone 13 keeps restarting every few minutes randomly. There are mainly 5 steps to attempt. Step 1. Make sure there is 5 GB storage space left. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Now, check how many GB is used. If there is less than 5 GB left, go to Free Up More Space. You can remove unused apps, delete unused photos and videos, clear browser history and app cache, and so on. Now, check if your iPhone 13 stops restarting randomly. Step 2. Update apps or delete them. To update apps, open the App Store. From the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. Scroll down to check the apps that are required to update. You can tap the Update All option or choose the Update option one by one. Wait and see if your iPhone 13 still keeps rebooting. Step 3. Disconnect all the cables or remove accessories. Find your iPhone 13 keeps restarting loop when charging. Attempt to unplug it from your device. If the cable is the culprit, this action should fix the endless restart on iPhone 13. If your phone is wearing a phone case or a screen protector, take it off, too. They are also the possible causes for the automatic restart problem. Step 4. Update iOS software. Open Settings app. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap the Download and Install option. When being asked for confirmation, enter the passcode and tap Agree. When the update process is complete, your iPhone 13 will reboot. See if it works normally and won't restart randomly now. Step 5. Reset your iPhone 13. All your saved and essential data will be erased after this step. So, try other methods first and check your backups before attempting this step. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset iPhone. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. Finish the following steps for confirmation and it'll then trigger the reset process. Part 2. What to do when your iPhone 13 keeps restarting all the time. There are mainly 3 steps to attempt. Step 1. Force restart iPhone 13. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button and then keep holding the side button. You'll see iPhone 13 shuts down showing a black screen and then pops up the Apple logo again. Now, release the button and let your device reboot normally. If everything goes well, your iPhone 13 won't keep shutting off and restarting itself. Step 2. Take out a SIM card. This step sounds a little weird, but trust me that it can work for some of you. Shut down your iPhone 13 first. Locate the SIM card tray. Gently press a SIM eject tool into the small pinhole to push it out. Pull out the card tray and carefully remove the SIM card. Now, press the power button to boot up your iPhone 13 to see if it works normally. Step 3. Fix iPhone 13 automatic restart problem with recovery mode. Recovery mode is an Apple official step to remedy iOS device software problems. It's free and safe to use and gives you 2 options to save your phone. You can choose Update to get your iPhone 13 out of the restarting loop without losing any data. If the update doesn't work, you'll need to choose Restore to delete everything to start from scratch. Let me show you how to do it. Connect your iPhone 13 to a computer with a cable and run iTunes or Finder. Then, on your iPhone 13, quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Don't release when the Apple logo appears. Still keep holding. When you see the recovery mode screen showing a laptop and cable, let go of the button and go to the computer. On iTunes or Finder, you should see a pop-up window. If not, click your device icon to open it up. Then, choose the update option first and finish the steps that follow. Once the update process is done, let your iPhone 13 boot up and see if it stops restarting itself. If not, repeat the steps to enter the recovery mode again and choose the restore option to bring your device back to its factory defaults. If you've tried everything but your iPhone 13 still randomly restarts and keeps turning the Apple logo on and off, it might be due to some hardware issues. Did you drop your device? Has it been exposed to water recently? If you can recall such incidents, they might be responsible for why your iPhone 13 keeps restarting on its own. In such cases, we recommend heading straight to the Apple Store and getting your iPhone 13 diagnosed. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 13 that keeps restarting itself randomly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.